What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whoop Stop, back with another video. Hey guys, like I told y'all on my last video, man, I wasn't feeling too good, guys, but you know, after getting some rest and stuff like that, man, I feel like a new person, guys. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna give y'all a little quick cold start right fast, guys. You know, I didn't drove the truck in maybe 4 days, maybe probably like a week. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little cold start. The Viper 5607. I'm gonna turn that around for you guys. Jeez. Yeah, guys. But like I say, truck still sounding good, guys. Man, it's been like a week since I drove this thing. But yeah, guys, man, your boy feel way better, man, than what I was feeling like a week ago, man. But in this video, guys, I want to talk a little bit about like superchargers and turbos, man. Like what I see myself doing with the truck. You know, somebody jumped in the comments on my last video and was like, man, you know, they heard me talking about supercharging the truck, and they was like, man, it's your time. You know, it's time to supercharge the truck. And guys, like, that's like one of my long-term goals, man. It's like to actually supercharge this truck. But like I say, man, y'all know, if y'all know about supercharger kits and things like that, y'all know, just for the kit alone, guys, you're looking at roughly like $6,000 to $7,000 just for the supercharger kit itself. But on the other hand, guys, I done seen like several like twin turbo kits for like maybe $3-4 grand, and been having your boy thinking, man. But honestly, bro, I want to put a supercharger in it, so that's what we gonna be doing. Whenever we get the chance to do that, guys, we gonna drop a supercharger in this thing. So what I need y'all to do in the meantime, man, I need y'all to watch these videos, guys. I need y'all to watch these videos, share these videos, you know what I mean? Things of that nature, guys. Help your boy. But nah, all jokes aside, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, man. So like I told y'all, the average supercharger kit is roughly $6,000 to $7,000 grand. That's just for the kit, guys. Like I said, that's just for the kit alone. It's not for nobody putting it in, things like that, man. So you're looking at $6,000 to $7,000 just on the supercharger kit. Why I want a supercharge, I just like the noise. I just like that whine that it make, guys. You know that old woo. I just like that old whine that it make, guys. So yeah. But I need y'all to get this video up to at least 50, 60 likes, guys. You heard me? So y'all smash down into the comment section right now. Leave your boy a fire comment. And I need at least 50, 60 likes on this video, guys. So y'all let me know. Do y'all see a supercharger in the future? Or do y'all see like twin turbos in the future? Like I said, man, y'all already know. It's big pressure. Like, one part at a time, and yeah, we gonna get this where it need to be, guys. So big supercharger kit coming in the future, man. We gonna speak it into existence, guys. You know what I mean? Y'all already know, man. Everything that I said that I'm gonna do, we get it done, guys. But look, on the other hand, y'all tune in for the giveaway. Like I said, I'm gonna be probably dropping this giveaway probably at the end of this month, the beginning of next month, guys. So I just need y'all to stick around for that. And yeah, bro, we're gonna have an awesome year. You feel me? The vlogs been going up, man. The subscribers been going up. Y'all keep subbing to the channel. Y'all keep doing y'all. I'm gonna keep doing me. Y'all know positive lives spread positive vibes, guys. So we gonna keep them positive vibes spreading. You heard me? But other than that, man, you know, I just thought that I'd come out here and make this quick little video, man. Your boy been feeling good lately. You know what I'm talking about? So that's it, man. We're gonna get these blogs going, get this money. And we're gonna kick it with you guys, man. But y'all stay tuned for that. Oh, I do got somebody that's gonna be making the merch for me, man. I got somebody that's gonna be doing the shirts for me, guys. Y'all stay tuned for that. I probably had like a couple of samples. I'll show y'all like in between like the next video or the next video. So y'all stick around for that, man. If y'all want to support your boy, y'all drop down in the comments. Y'all let me know. The shirts will be at least a dub, $25, guys. Y'all can get your whip stop shirt. EST 2020, guys. Flat out. But other than that, man, you know, like I said, we just gonna keep it going, man. We're gonna keep the channel growing. So in the meantime, between time, guys, I need everybody to jump down into the comment section. Man, y'all leave your boy one of them fire comments. If you're new to this channel, just sitting back watching the videos, I appreciate it if you like, comment, share, subscribe to the page. And man, let's help get this here thing going, bro. You know, like, we in the dough now, baby. Ain't no turning back, guys. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep pushing forward, keep pushing this positive energy out there, man. And yeah, the rest is history, bro. But like I said, man, it's your boy Big Smurf from the whip. Oh, hold up, one more thing. I got one more thing to show y'all, man. I got one more thing to show y'all. You know, I talk about that red dashboard, guys. I'm gonna drop the link to that in my bio as well. I'm gonna put the link to that so y'all can see what I'm talking about when I speak on reference to the red dashboard. But I might go red with the dashboard. It's a possibility, man. But like I said, bro, y'all keep me posted, y'all keep me updated, man. Y'all let me know what y'all like to see to the channel. I'm gonna keep doing my thing with this truck, guys. Slowly but for surely, guys. And once I'm finished doing what I'm doing, man, we gonna have a raffle, guys. I'm gonna raffle it off at the end, probably at the end of this year. I take that back. Probably like sometime the middle of next year, guys, when the channel get situated and things like that, man, we gonna be doing a raffle on this thing so one of y'all out there can win the murder PPV, guys. You feel me? But until then, man, I appreciate everybody who been tuning in, everybody who been jumping down in the comments, wishing your boy get well and stuff like that. Your boy at 100%, man. I feel good. I feel great. I feel blessed. You got the big murder Tahoe out here, guys. Oh, man. Y'all know. Look, I'm sweating, pumping this here content for you guys, man. So what I need y'all to do, bro, I need everybody to jump down into the comments right now. Leave your boy a fire comment. Man, hey, it's time to go up, bro. The whip style. Y'all follow me on IG at DA_WHIP, another _STOP. I don't do too much Facebook, guys. Like I told y'all, I don't be on Facebook like that, but I guess I gotta start getting a Facebook page popping as well. So y'all follow me on Facebook as well. That's the same thing, man. All the social sites are the same thing. The Wolf Stop, guys. You can't miss me. Look me up. Google your boy. It's official. 2020, 2021, 2022. We ain't stopping, man. We keep it going, you heard me? So with that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop logging on, signing out.